In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a floating contact button on Wix. This is a great way to ensure your site visitors can easily reach out, enhancing user experience and engagement. So, let's dive into the steps to seamlessly integrate this feature onto your Wix site. First, we're going to add the button. Head over to the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Add Elements and then choose Button. If you prefer using an icon instead of a button, that option is available as well. Once you've selected your preferred style, simply click and drag it onto your page. A popular choice is the bottom right corner of your site. You'll often find that's where these types of features are typically placed, as it's accessible yet not intrusive. Now with your button in place, it's time to set the button link. Click on your newly added button to bring up the settings and then click Link. This is where you'll establish the method of contact your button will facilitate. You have a few options here. You can link it to a dedicated contact form page, set it up to open up a new email using Mail To, a handy feature for direct email communication, or even attach a phone link for visitors who prefer calling. If you employ chat services like WhatsApp or another chat solution, you can direct your visitors to that platform as well. Choose the method that best fits your needs or offers the variety of contact preferences for your users. The third step is to make your button float, which keeps it visible as users scroll. This is done by pinning it to the screen. It's easy to accomplish this. Right-click on the button and select Pin to Screen. You'll be prompted to choose its position relative to the user's screen dimensions. Position it smartly, such as the bottom right, while setting horizontal and vertical offsets. This ensures it doesn't inadvertently block other critical content. If you want this button to float consistently across all the pages of your site, something I recommend for global accessibility, right-click once more and select Show on All Pages. This will solidify its presence site-wide. And that's it. Each of these steps, when executed together, creates a seamless floating contact button that can greatly enhance user interaction on your Wix site. Remember, ease of communication is crucial in building a responsive and inviting online environment. As you follow these steps, feel free to experiment with design options and placements that best align with your website's aesthetic and functionality goals.